was little incorrect. So for example, now what I want to do is like I'll just give a depends on tag. Okay, depends on method. Okay, here I'll just give my depends on method name. Okay, it is not source and destination front of. So if you're declaring here for this test, obviously it will be for this method, right? Just you want to know like test2 is depending on which method. I'm just giving test1. So test2 is depending on test1. Just see like this. Okay, okay. So are we finding any difference? Test1, test4, test2, test3, right? Test1, test4, test2, test3. So many things are there. Fine. That's completely fine. Then like why so like depends on method. When do we need it? For example, just give here, okay, again in j equal to, okay, 20 by 0. Just give that, okay? Just now see the difference, what it happens, okay? You'll understand now. Okay. Why it is? See, it is telling test1 was so and so, it executed. Then test4 was passed, but test1 was failed. Okay. Now, when it is failed, okay, my test2 and test4 were like test2 and test3 were depending on my test1, right? Somewhere it was like one depends on method. Test2 was depending on test1, right? When itself is failing, it will not execute this method. Okay, here also like test3 was depending on test2 and test1. Now here test1 was failed, right? Due to which again it will not execute this particular test because it was depending on this. So in real time how it works is all our test cases may be depending on the login method, right? Login. If login itself is not working, I don't have to do any execute any other test cases, right? It's a valid one. So this is how we describe the depends on method. Okay, so it will be more clear now. So depends on method is like if you have to give a single method, just you can give it as a single method, or if you have to